Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into the Google account you use for class. Once signed in, open Meet. Google, com or join via Classroom and locate the circular profile icon at the top right. Click that icon to open account settings. This is where display name edits begin. If you don't see your icon, make sure you're in the correct Google account by checking the avatar email. Once you've opened the profile menu, proceed to the Account Manage option to edit personal info. You now choose Manage your Google account, then navigate to Personal Info. From there, tap Name and edit your first and slash or last name. This is the field Meet pulls from during sessions. Make sure to type exactly how you want instructors and classmates to see you. Once you save, Google propagates the change, usually within seconds but sometimes a few minutes. If you're using a school account, note that admins may restrict edits. Keep that in mind as you proceed. You finish by refreshing or rejoining the Meet session to confirm your updated display name appears. If it doesn't show immediately, sign out of Google and sign back in. That forces a sync. Once done, make sure your camera preview shows the new name when you join. If school policies prevent edits, contact your IT administrator, explain why you need the name change, and request the update. That single troubleshooting step solves most permission-related problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.